so I'm approaching a roundabout, and at the roundabout I want to go left, first exit. So I'm going to do the mirror signal position speed and look routine, MSPSL. So mirrors would be middle and left signal, position, well I'm in the left lane of a dual carriageway, I'm turning left, so this is the correct one. Speed I'm going to bring right down and choose second gear on the approach. So second gear, clutch up, I'm going to glance and look back, I'm aware that this car's in front. Bit of brake, and I'm just going to go straight down to first now because I was below 5 miles an hour. I'm going to look for that gap. Can't go at the moment, so I've stopped, but then check my mirrors because there's a gap, and I'm going to take it. Check my mirror for a gear change. As soon as I come off this roundabout, I'm going to cancel my signal on this one because there's an immediate junction on the left that I didn't want anybody to get confused and think I was going down that road. Check my middle mirror for a gear change. Now it looks like there's a car pulled out in front of me here, so I'm just going to stop, go straight to first, give me enough room and space, and then check my mirrors and move on when it's clear. Check my mirror for a gear change again. I'm going to take the next road on the right, so MSPSL routine, mirrors would be middle and right signal, position slightly over to the right because there's enough room, second gear on the approach, clutch up, I can go, so I'm just going to take it. As soon as I get in the new road, I'm going to check my mirrors. I've slightly moved out for that van, and then middle and left mirror to move back over into my position. Again into the van, slightly on the road, so mirror and right mirror so I can move out, and mirror and left mirror to come back in. I'm going to take the next road on the right, so middle, right mirror, right signal, position, speed, I'm in second, my clutch is up, I'm clear, so I'm going to take it on the point of turn. Middle and right mirror to move out for the van. I'm going to keep it really slow because it's quite busy round here. Vans, wagons, middle mirror, left mirror to come back over there. Middle mirror, right mirror to slightly move out. Looking at the road markings, I'm going to follow this road round to the left, and at the end of the road I'm turning left. Middle and left mirror, left signal, just going to nip it straight to first, look left, look right, look left, look right, it's clear, so I'm going to go. New road, new mirrors.